guys, so I have to fill a couple of oil rollers today, and so I wanted to just talk to you a little bit about that because one of them is my Thieves roller, and probably the number one question or goal that people tell me about when they want to start doing things more naturally or try essential oils is how to support their immune system. And so this is probably my number one recommendation is using Thieves oil. And there's different ways that you can use it, but what I'm prepping today is my roller bottle. So this was a full bottle of Thieves oil that I put a roller top on, but you can buy empty roller bottles on Amazon and stuff too. I have those floating around and we use those as well. So what I do is I refill this when it runs out, and I put probably about 50 drops of Thieves oil in here. And then sometimes I add some extra lemon or frankincense, which are also good immune boosters. And then I fill with carrier oil. But Thieves oil is a blend that has cinnamon, clove, rosemary, eucalyptus, and lemon in it. And so it was developed and formulated based on legends from history at the time of the plague and the thieves that were going around and robbing the dead and dying, and they weren't getting sick. And so as the story goes, they got captured and they were given kind of some leniency, and some punishment was eliminated if they shared their secret. And so it was using these herbs and spices to help support their immune system. And there's a lot of science, a lot of research, so you can read studies, and I'd be happy to share some with you that point to how these different things can support our immune system. So we use the Thieves oil. I roll this on the bottoms of my feet as well as up and down my spine in the morning, at night, whenever I think about it. We have seen so many benefits from this. So, and I'm starting to do it with Silas now as well, just to kind of keep him healthy and to support him as best we can as we're approaching this season when we typically think about getting sick, right? So this is probably going to be, again, my number one recommendation for you. If you want to boost your immune system, use this. There's lots of other things we do too, but this has saved me so many times. I can definitely pinpoint times when I knew I was going to get sick, when I felt something coming down, and I used Thieves to kind of combat that. I'm not going to say it's the cure-all. I'm not a doctor. I'm not prescribing this, but it's something that you can do to support yourself, to support wellness, to help your body do what it's made to do, what it was created to do. You have an immune system for a reason, and so this can help it. So that's my one roller that I'm going to do today. I'm also going to fill my RC roller, which is another story that I can share with you another time. This is another daily oil roll that I have to do to support myself, and this was really one of the first things that hit me when I started using Young Living oils and saw real results that I didn't see with any other oils. But this is my go-to. So if you guys would like to learn more, or if you have questions, or want to get your hands on some Thieves oil and get help with making that roller, I would love to share more with you. So drop me a comment below and I'll drop my cap over. All right, see you later, guys.